Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you spend a lot of time in your office or doing some writing, then you need a good pen that will be fade resistant and that writes super smooth. These awesome pens from ARTEZA are a great pen option for you, and they come in a box of 20, so you have all the pens that you need. I love that it comes with such a big pack. That way I can have these pens everywhere. They are so smooth when you're writing. I really like using them for writing cards and for just general office needs while I'm at my desk. They're also great if you need to jot down things really quickly because the cap easily comes off and they write smooth every time. You can also clip these on to a convenient place in your bag if you need to, and the blue that comes out of it is just really flowy, and it's a true blue that writes beautifully. This is the 0.7 millimeter size that I got, so it's a fine point, but I really like that it does not scratch the paper when you're writing, but rather you just get effortless writing every time. These pens are definitely professional quality, and I love using them. I have one in my bag, in my bedroom, by the nightstand. I have one at my desk. Literally, you can keep these pens everywhere, and you'll be able to write things down anytime you need to. But that's just my point of view.